Hey guys, have you ever heard of the term Cocopeat and wondered कि Cocopeat होता क्या है? Is it Cocopeat or beet? What is it actually? Well, wait a minute. Cocopeat is nothing but the dried shell of coconut that we all love to eat, है ना? So why waste the shell? Can't we use it for some other purpose? So as you can see, this is a cocoa peat brick that we have right now, and it looks something like this when it is in the dried form. Well, basically, it is very compactly packaged, and if you have to use it, you will have to first loosen it up. So, what to do? So, first of all, we put water in it, as you can see, so that it will expand slowly, and quite slowly though. So once it expands, you will see that it has loosened up layer by layer. And do you know how much it can expand? Well, I'm very sure you'll be surprised to see the amount of cocoa peat you can get from just a 2 kg brick. Well, wait, this is not all. So after losing up and absorbing all the water, it will expand like anything. एक झोला भर के आप अपने पड़ोस वाली आंटी को भी दे सकते हो. So once it has expanded, mix it up with the regular soil, the clay soil you have, which is not that porous, and add a vermicompost in it. Once you have prepared this mixture, you can put it in your indoor plants, or you can shovel the outdoor plants top layer and remove the topsoil and add some cocoa peat over there, so that it adds the porosity of the soil, as well as it will act as a very good moisture holder. Now, why do we love cocoa peat so much? Well, of course, it doesn't taste good, but it acts as a very good medium to grow our new saplings. I know, it's so cute, right? Also, the indoor plants, they love moisture. Not just indoor, but outdoor plants as well, which are suffering with heat these days a lot, right? So, these moisture holding capacity of cocoa peat make your plants dance. Chingalala, hoo, hoo, chingalala, hoo, hoo. Right, guys? So, if you also want your plant to be happy and healthy, try using cocoa peat the next time.